I also got some sneakers today from Hibbett Sports. So these will be unboxed in another video. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's your boy J Nitro Vlogs, and today we are back with another unboxing.
They call me a god. They call me a god.
We have a Nike shoe from Hibbett Sports, man. Oh, these some heat, boy. These are some heat. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go off camera, show people on Snapchat, people on social. Before you. Yeah, I'm looking at you. Yeah. People on social media will get to see it before you do. Ha! Be back. What are you looking at me for? Go watch the video. Drop a like. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you want to see the new shoes? That's what you're waiting on? That's what you're waiting on? That's tough. Tough.